In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching outline text effect in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is perfect for adding a bit of flair to your videos, helping your text stand out in a way that's sure to catch your audience's attention. We'll go step by step, starting right from the edit page of DaVinci Resolve. If you're unfamiliar, the edit page is where most of your basic video editing takes place, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. To start off, head over to the Effects tab. This is your go-to spot for a variety of tools and features that allow you to spice up your videos. Within the Effects tab, drag the Text Plus option to your timeline. Text Plus is a more advanced text tool in DaVinci Resolve, offering a wider range of formatting features than the standard text option, which is exactly what we need to create that appealing outline effect. Once you've placed the text in your timeline, direct your attention to the Inspector menu. This is where you'll find all the customizable options for the object you have selected, in this case, our Text Plus. Click on the Shading tab within the Inspector. Shading is the section where the magic happens. It allows you to layer various effects over your text, including our desired outline. Now, here's the crucial step. Within the Shading tab, you will find various elements. Select another element from the list, one that isn't already enabled. Once you've selected an element, you need to enable it, which activates its effects for our text. At this point, make sure to also enable the text outline from the properties associated with our selected element. This is what creates the actual outline around your text. With the outline activated, take a moment to adjust the sliders available within the shading properties. These sliders control various aspects of the outline, such as its thickness and color. You can experiment with different settings to achieve the look you're going for. Perhaps you want a thick, bold outline, or maybe something subtle and understated. The sliders give you the flexibility to customize to your heart's content. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've added a striking outline to your text in DaVinci Resolve, enhancing its visual impact. Remember, the key to mastering any effect is experimentation, so don't hesitate to play around with the options available to see what works best for your project. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has helped you add that extra touch to your video creations. Until next time, happy editing!